This video guide will help you unpack, install, and start up your JVC65RBTN Autoscrubber. To assemble your unit, you will need a drill, an X-Acto, and a ratchet. Using the X-Acto, you will have to cut the ties that surround the box. Remove the bags on the handle and set them aside. You will need them later. Using the drill, remove the screws holding the wheel in place and remove the metal anchor. Repeat the same process for the other wheel. Using a wooden plank, remove the machine from the pallet. Attach the lid to the back of the machine to avoid any spilling when filling up the tank. To attach the squeegee, lift up the back of the unit. Unscrew the squeegee, place it on the lifted part and screw it in place. Attach the hose to the back of the machine. To install the batteries, start by opening the top lid. Attach the batteries to the cable already in place by connecting cables to the corresponding colors. Using the ratchet, add tension to the screws. Repeat the process with the extension cable for the back of the batteries. Cover the anchor points with the rubber protectors and close the lid. Your JVC65RBTN is now prepared and ready for operation. To remove the blades from the squeegee, start by opening the clamp at the back. Remove the two metal pieces and then release the first blade. Place the squeegee up and unscrew the 4 anchor points. You can now remove the second blade. To install the blades, repeat the process in reverse. To fill the Autoscrubber, add water and solution to the water filter inlet in the front of the machine. Check the water level on the side of the machine. To empty the unused water, unscrew the cap on the bottom. To empty the used water from the machine, open the hose at the back and point it downward. To charge the battery, connect the charger to the wall and then to the connector on the back of the machine. The green light indicates a full battery. A yellow light indicates a charging battery. A red light indicates a problem with charging. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service or consult the website.